Let's unbox Monster High Spa Day Lagoona Blue. Hey guys, it's Keezy here today, and today we are going to be unboxing this brand new Spa Day Lagoona Blue. And I got this doll from Paulsmart, so that's how I got her a little bit earlier. She was, I want to say, $39.99 with free shipping. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the box. On the left side of the box here, you can see it has a foiled Monster High logo here. Also on the left here, you can see a picture of Lagoona done by the amazing and talented Darko Dark. It says Lagoona Blue here, and then it says Spa Day. And on the side here, it shows that you can, I guess, color your own hair with this. On the right side here, of course, you get another picture of some of the accessories that come in the box. And then you also get a couple of little graphics that kind of relate to Lagoona. On the side here, you get some more graphics at the top here, and then you also get a picture of the doll and everything that she comes with. On the other side is a couple of more graphics, and then it also shows you how to do the temporary tattoos. On the back here, again, you kind of get a feature of everything that she comes with. It also says create your own scare do, which is such a cute little play on the words. A picture of the hair accessories that you can use on yourself, which I will not be doing today, of course. On the bottom here, you see it says monsterhigh.com. So now that we've taken a look at Lagoona inside the box and everything that it comes with, let's go ahead and get her out. So she comes with this cute little shell case. It does have some molded on things to look like a shell. On the back here, it does have a couple of little graphics here, like a skullette, a speech bubble, a shell, some flowers, and it does have this little octopus tentacle here and a pearl that you can open it up. And this is where you can store all your little beads. So speaking of the beads, you get a total of 8 of the shells and then 8 of the little beads. They come in a purple and blue here, and then a blue and pink on these beads here. You can see that it's a little shell here that has like some little drips at the top. It does open with a clasp on the side here. That's how you can snap it on the hair. I believe that you can use these for yourself or the doll. Of course, it has a hole here at the top so you can feed through the hair. This is just kind of like a plain little bead. It does also have some molded on kind of dripping marks as well. As the shell does, it does just clasp on the side here. You open and close it there. Then it has an opening at the top here for the hair. And I'm just gonna throw that in my little case here. Lagoona also comes with a black seahorse comb. You get 2 little white clips that kind of match the clips that they included for Lagoona, which is a cute feature. So here are the little white pearl clips, and yes, these are the exact same ones that came with the basic Lagoona. You also get a cute little blue face mask here. I feel like these were really scary to some people. I want to say they came with the creep over dolls, right? I didn't get any of those, so I'm not 100% sure. But the ear cuffs here are little fins, which is a nice little touch. The set also includes 2 hair chalks, one in a blue and one in a purple. I want to say that these are for your hair. I don't think that you can actually use these on the dolls. And the outside of the packaging here does have a molded in kind of a rubberized skullette, and then the other side has a black skullette. You also get a pack of blue rubber bands. I don't ever use kind of colored rubber bands just because I don't like to see the rubber bands exposed anyways, but these rubber bands probably are some of the best rubber bands that you can get because they'll last a very long time. Lagoona also comes with a little robe. Of course, it is a spa day, so it's a perfect addition. It does kind of have an all-over kind of tie-dye print, I want to say. Then it also has these printed on scales with some more drips. It does come with a nice little pink ribbon tie to tie it in the front here. And then, of course, trimming the inner part of the robe is this white kind of fuzzy material. It's definitely not the best material, but it is cute. So moving on to Lagoona herself, she does come with this nice little pink head wrap. It does have a starfish, a bow, and some octopus tentacles kind of going around. I definitely like this molding. For the earrings, she comes with some hoops. You can see that it's like a white kind of pearly finish on it. And it does have some fish bones on it, and also what looks like maybe some leaves or some type of thing. On the other earring is the exact same. She comes with these two puka shell necklaces. I want to say this is a similar molding to her basic release, but one is in kind of like a light purple and the other one is in white. For shoes, she has these molded pink and black sandals. They do have some shells at the very front, and of course the band for the shoe is in a kind of shiny black. For the heel, you can see some molded on details. So you can see a skull, maybe some seaweed. Also, it looks like there's a ship, if I'm looking at that correctly. And then on the inner side, another shell. And they are the same molding, I believe, on each shoe. No, actually, this one looks a little bit different. The shoes actually have two different moldings on there. So you can see that this actually has a bigger octopus on it. And then it has a couple of more waves. I don't know. Yeah, so these are actually two different shoes technically. And for the outfit that she comes wearing, so she comes with this blue crop top. It does kind of have a blue and purple tie-dye going on. Of course, you can see it says good waves only. The sleeves are kind of like a 3/4 length sleeve and they are fishnet. These aren't separate pieces, they are sewn together, and the back is undetailed. She also comes with some matching shorts. It does have a black band on it with a pink bow, and then that same tie-dye print that looks like it actually has some fish bones going around. And then it also has this nice little white kind of scalloped trim going around the bottom. Both pieces just kind of feel like a nice jersey material, kind of like what she came with in her core release. It's very like sportswear themed. For her screening, you can see she does have her signature scales on her forehead in a light blue and a green. She also has some very thick blue eyebrows. I really like the way that these are done because they are gradient. For her eye makeup, she does have a kind of pink to blue eyeshadow. It looks like there may be a little bit of graphic liner going around the top and the bottom of her eye. And it also has, I don't know if that's the continuation of her freckles or there's just some dots in her eye makeup, but yeah, that's cute. Her eyes are slightly wonky. I want to say this one is a little bit smaller than the other eye. And it also looks like it may have a little bit more eyelid space on this one, but you know, something. She also has some blue freckles going around her face, and she does have kind of a light purple lavender lip. And the main attraction of this doll, because it is considered a hair play doll, is her hair. It is nice, long, thick, really thick saran hair, which we love. The colors that it has is kind of like a champagne kind of blonde color on the top here. That is the main color of her hair. Underneath, as usual, she has a little bit of purple, a little bit of a light blue, I would say, almost a teal kind of color. And then she has a kind of royal blue color there. And just like all the releases of Lagoona, she does have a middle part. And just to kind of show you, this is a comparison of her original release and the hair play. So you can see that the yellow is more of a blonde this time, and the purples actually may be the same. I feel like the greens are different, and I don't think they ever really give her blue. I totally forgot to show you guys. She also comes with some foil tattoos for you to wear. Yeah, they're really, really interesting. Something to know as I was kind of playing around with her for a second. Looks like in the factory, they made a mistake while they were rooting her. She has a piece of hair that's rooted into her ear somehow. So just a funny thing to show you about the quality control. All right, and that is all for Spa Day Lagoona. So let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts on this dolls, starting with the pro. So the pros is I definitely love the long, thick hair. I think that the design overall is extremely cohesive. I definitely think that's where this new Monster High design team is winning, is they are making some extremely cohesive looks that I like. I definitely think that this is on theme for what Lagoona has been giving us all G3. I think that she's definitely a really, really nice doll. I think that the quality is decent. So yeah, As far as cons go, I don't really have a lot. The only thing I would say is the quality control on the doll wasn't that good. I do wish her face was a little bit more aligned. Not only that, but that it was interesting that that piece of hair was rooted through her ear. You can see I was able to take it out, but it did leave a little hole, which is fine. We'll just call it a piercing. But other than that, like I have nothing really else to say about this doll. Like I will say that I'm not wowed by her. I feel like she's just very on theme with all the Lagunas that we've been getting so far. I do wish that maybe they had have given another character this set, because we are seeing a lot, like a lot of like the core four. I think that this is cute for her. And yeah, like I said, I have no bad things to say about this doll. I think it's really, really cute. So I want to know you guys' thoughts of this doll in the comment section down below. Let me know if you'll be picking her up yourself. The restyle for this doll will be coming soon, and definitely make sure to stick around to see it because it will be coming later this week. And of course, if you like living your inner doll hairstylist fantasy, or you're just a doll hoarder like me, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you enjoyed hanging out with me today, give that thumbs up button a big push. But I will be seeing you guys later this week for her restyle. And yeah, peace.